Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Mantra. My name is Purna Prakash Kushwaha. Today I am going to discuss with you a riddle. Riddle means you can easily understand by the term puzzle. When you are someone has to check your mindset or ability or thinking process, they can give you a riddle to solve a riddle or puzzle. So here is also a riddle, and let us see what is the riddle and what will be the answer and what will the explanation of that. So here is the riddle is a man who works on the 10th floor takes the elevator down to the ground floor every evening and goes home. The next morning when he comes back to work, he takes the elevator to the 7th floor and walks up three flights of stairs to his office. However, if it is raining or if there are other people in the elevator, he takes the elevator all the way to the 10th floors. Can you explain why? Yes, friends. Can you explain? He sometimes he go to the 7 floors and after that he takes the walk up to the 3 floors to reach at the 10th, and sometimes he directly reach at the 10th floor. So it is a problem, and that's why you have to explain what is the reason behind this. So sometimes every student have puzzled with them. So don't worry, I am with you and I am going to the answer of this. So answer of this will be the man is very short and he can only reach out at the 7th number of the buttons. Yes friends, because due to short of the heights, and he can only reach the 7 buttons of the elevator button panel. And you can easily see the by the picture here. This is a elevator button panels and he is a short man and it is very difficult to reach out by difficulties, and by hook and crooks he reached at least 7th number of the buttons, and but he is not able to press the 10th button because its height of is very much according to the swordsman. So he usually go to the 7th floors and after that he go to the 10th floor by the walking. So it is a not a best explanation. I can give a explanation also for this, and let us try to the read the sentences and give the explanation according to that. The next morning when he comes back to work, he takes the elevator due to the 7th floor and walks up three the flights of the stair to his office. Means when the next morning he comes to the office, he will be alone and he can only press the 7th button of the elevator. So he go with the elevator up to the only 7th floors. After that he will go to the 10th floor by the walking and taking the stairs. So it is a short explanation of this. And next is critical thinking is regarding to this. If it is raining or if there are other people in the elevator, he takes the elevator all the way to the 10th floor. Means this time it is raining, so he have an umbrella and other things. When other people with him, he takes to the 10th floor all the way means he used to the press the 10th button with his umbrella, or he can say with the someone who with him to the press the key of 10th key. By this he will able to go to the 10th floor directly. And in the time of the evening when the office goes off, he take the elevator full to the ground floor because the lower button or we can say that the ground button is placed in the lowest of the elevator panel. So he can easily able to press that and he goes to the ground floor and by the elevator. So that's it is my some short explanation for you and you can easily understand it. If you really like this video, press the like button. We will meet again the next video, and thank you.